Here's a few simple things to boost the quality of your prop production. First, you'll start out with an item that you cast. Mine is made of latex. You'll need a cleaning solution. I have water, isopropyl alcohol, and some people use vinegar. And you'll need a semi-abrasive cleaning item. Nothing that will damage your item's surface. Mine is a scrub brush I got at the dollar store. As you can see, your cast can pick up a residual clay and molding material, especially in detailed areas. Painting over this can cause a very weak and non-sustainable finish. Many use powders as a release so latex will not stick to itself. Foam filling this item with residual powder can affect the outcome of the foam to latex bond as shown here. So let's clean out the release. To get rid of that baby powder in there, I just take some water, slush it around there, and then you can take a paper towel and dab it and get some of the thicker powdery spots out just in case. Scrub to prep your paintable surface. So nothing crazy here, I just take some water, pour that over my cast, and then I diligently go to scrubbing it with this brush. You want to make sure you get in all the detail. Something else that can improve how the cast comes out is just having a really nice clean mold. I've been on the receiving side of some poorly produced props and with paint that's flaked off when it came in the mail. So you definitely want it to be very clean of debris. Double check all the areas, and you and your customer should be.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth.
So there it is, guys. Some simple, easy steps to do to take your product quality from lacking to what it should be, or even more than the average. As someone that has received products with flaking paint and stuff like that, I don't want to spend money to receive things like that, and I know my customers would not want to get products that are like that. So definitely keep those things in mind. There's tons of other simple things you can do too to bump that quality up, but I just thought these things were very easy along the same lines you can simply do, and look for some other videos of quality production to come.